They like it.
They like it.
The pony is coming.
All right.
Oh my goodness. That's the biggest one ever.
And the pony is this big.
Jack, that llama's funny.
Look at that big one. Look at that big one. Okay, I can hold him. Yeah.
That's so exciting. There's the horse.
JAX is gonna be good.
Let's see where he's going.
We've already done that. Now you're going.
JAX.
Ready to go?
Are you right?
You ready to take a ride? You riding it?
Go, Roscoe. Hi, Ride it. They gonna ride it.
He is?
Yeah.
You gotta just hold them tight like a baby. We'll sit.
That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen.
Jack, you wanna sit down?
Hey! Ready? Now rub them together. Hey, that's ready to do it. Bird? I know.
This definitely. Oh, Jake's got the pig. You're good at that now. He loves holding it.
Does he?
You gotta sit in if you're always in.
You're looking for a place.
You want to see her dangling, they're scared. Are you gonna feed her? Hey, you wanna smile? Say cheese. Better than having
Yeah, right by your face.
I can feed the llama. Oh my goodness! Wait.
Alright, so which one's bite? All of them?
Oh, that's.
Come on, Jake. Oh my gosh.
You wanna listen?
Jake, come on. We're gonna take this one in the house. Let's go.
Gotta give it to him.
Never give them back.
Bacon. Look, the pig's in our house.
She didn't quite know what you were doing.
Okay, we got a live pig in the house, folks.
This is normal, right?
Look how it princes. Look how it princes.
You know what? Put them up by the bed.
Oops.
Look at you go. Serious cowboy action. Serious. All the time.
They are.
Like the big one.
Look, Callie has pee on her. That's right.
Something, Brad? We'll take your picture. Grab something. Want to go out too?
I'll hold this.
Chicken?
With the white rabbit.
Look, look, Callie.
Everett, look, there's a pig right next to you.
Hold him.
You see the piggy?
No, that's chicken.
You got the pig right there. Pet him. Aw, sweet piggy.
That's the way you hold it. You hold their wings down.
Jax, you want to hold the chicken?
No.
Hold him. We have some of him inside.
Hello. Hello.
Say hello. Here, watch your picture. Whoa.
Say.
Just put your hand over there, pick him up, and give him to me. I can't grab one. They're too fast.
1, 2, 3.
Arms up to the people.
This one. He's helping.
That one.
Forget it.
Jax, tell everybody. Tell everybody thanks for coming.
Alright, don't leave yet. We're gonna have cake and then we're gonna do the pinata. Okay? Wait, Corbin, good job. I'm gonna go eat it. Here, let's go. Let's go eat it.
You got it? Grandpa to cut it for you. You got Mr. Green Fingers?
Okay, will you tell him bye-bye?
It's simple. Like soccer ball, it's very easy to do. So to get them together.
Easy.
Next year was on Monday.
They are just, like what JC. They are
Whatever. I get it.
easier without Okay, this guy really likes the lettuce.
Get in here.
No, Don. He likes it. I like the cow.
Take a picture with me.
I took a pig in the house.
Okay.
Take a picture of me.
Okay.
Take a picture of me.
Hey,
Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me.
nice cat. Can we take him? Give me a kiss. Jack, no.
Did you get that by chance? Did you kiss him?
Oh, you did? Yeah. I think I did.
Oh.
One more. Give him one more kiss.
Kason, get in here.
One more. Give him a kiss. One more little kiss. I will if you give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Oh, that's so sweet.
Okay. Now what? Hey, Bill. Chad.
Who's gonna knock the pinata down? Oh, Jax is? Okay. You got some competitors.
I got Oh, you got the goat.
It's not the pinata.
Gotta hit it.
Hit it again.
Oh!
Hit it again. Hit it again. Hit it again. One more. Last one.
Drop the mic.
One, two, three. I'll tell you, don't. If it breaks.
Hey, let me hold this for you. One more time, okay? Okay, one more time. Okay, okay. Reach in there. Let Jax reach in there. Oh!
Connected.
Okay, one more hit.
Hit it hard.
Oh my God! I can't believe it!
Don't worry, everyone can get candy and I have extra. Go get it, okay? Jax over here.
Hey, why does this look like Walmart?
Over here. Huh?
Come back.